Hey, today we're going to be talking about this item in front of you, the CoreAudio Heart Ring Light Wolf Stand. Now I'm going to be unboxing this and also assembling it and just leaving some of my feedback about this item and also the price and where you can get it from. So before I get started, if you can hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner, the red subscribe button, if you can hit that, I'm trying to build my subscriber base. Also, if I've added value to you with this video, definitely hit the like button and feel free to leave me comments. I definitely will respond. So let's get started. So this is the CoreAudio. It's a 12-inch ring light. It's a heart shape, so that's very unique about it. The other uniqueness about it is that it's this tripod stand. It actually extends, so you can actually lift it a bit higher, extendable legs. So not all of them always have that, but this one does have that. So that's something to think about. So here's the front of the box, side of the box, back of the box, and the other side of the box. So let's unbox it and open it and assembling it. So where can you get this item? I mean, you can get it at your local big box retail, or you can actually go to your discount retailers and buy it too, such as Ross, Marshall, TJ Maxx. So as I open this, I noticed that there isn't a instruction booklet. So, you know, a lot of times these will have it, but this one does not. So I've done a lot of these, so I'm just going to use my knowledge of tripods and assembling it and give you guys an idea. So I took everything out of this already. And as you can see here, everything's taken out. So this is your tripod legs. Everything comes in plastic on this thing, plastic bags. And when it says extendable, it means that like right here, as you can see, it can go down further down. So that's what it's called by extendable. So you can extend it like that. I'm going to keep it low just so that we can actually have everything within the telephone, within view. So this is going to be your phone holder right here. So this phone holder is a stretchable, and as just to remind everybody, this right here area actually bends. This right here piece, actually it opens to actually loosen it. So you can move the ball. Once you have the ball set where you want it, I will have it set this way for myself for this video. But if you want to have a different direction, feel free to do it, and then you can lock it in. See, you lock it in. You just turn this like a screw, and it's locked. You can't move it. You can only move this area here, but you can't move this area with the ball. So I'll leave this on the side. And then this is the main piece right here, which is your heart ring light with remote control, USB power. Now you're going to need to get a USB adapter to stick on your wall jack and then stick the USB in there for power, okay? So your remote right here, so I'll show it to everybody. Your red button is your power on and off. Minus and plus is for the brightness levels going down. It's probably like 10 levels. Your in-between button here with the two wavy arrows, that's going to be your mode. It's going to have 3 modes. Now, one thing unique about this, other than that it's a heart shape, the tripod extendable legs, your tripod head is already on the tripod. So this right here, your tripod head is already on the tripod. So I'm going to use this phone jack holder. I'm going to screw it into this piece right here. So as you can see right here, this gold, that's going to be where I'm going to screw it into. All right, so it's in it. And then I'm going to be using this piece right here, this opening, gold opening. I'm going to screw it into here, the tripod head. So one thing I noticed about this item is that it's pretty detailed, just from a product viewing standpoint, it does have a heart right here, mini heart, and it has some kind of like some stars down here and right here. So I'm gonna leave this right here, the heart. Just leave this here, and then now I'm gonna plug it in to my power head, the USB. So then we can get started after that. Now, where did I get this? I got this actually at a big box discount retailer store. That's where I get it from. You can get it from your big box retailer stores regularly too, but it's going to just cost you a bit more. It's probably going to cost you about $35 to $40 at a big box retailer that sells at retail price. But if you're able to find it at a discount big box retailer such as e.g. Ross, TJ Maxx, stuff like Home Goods, you can probably get it for like $20, $25. Big difference in price, somewhat. All right, so it's plugged in. Once it's plugged in, your power lights up. I click the power. There you go, my heart. Okay, it's bright. Now let's change the mode. 1, 2, 3. Cool, hot, medium. Let's change to the cool one. Let's go down the brightness level. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Increase it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Okay, so what is my feedback on this item? Oops. So for me, I noticed that the legs tripod, they're very loose. The legs, as you can see, when I hold it up, it actually falls over. But so it's really loose. So you gotta be really careful. You gotta make sure your tripod legs are actually on the bottom. Okay, so there you go. That's your first thing that you should do. Make sure. And then one other thing I just want to point out too is just want to put the phone in so you guys can get an idea before I give my feedback on this item. My feedback on this item while I'm doing this is that it's a pretty good item. I mean, it's very unique. It's an item that, you know, it's a heart shape. First of all, they have a lot of good details, as I showed you earlier with the stars, heart in the center. So it's pleasant on the eyes. I do like it. It's great for if you're doing cosmetic, jewelry, makeup, doing close-up items. So, you know, but if you're doing like me, you know, I need a like overhead because I do a lot of assembly and product opening and assembling. A little bit different, but I can see myself using this for like Zoom calls, or any type of close-up range. I would definitely use this. It's a pretty cool item. I mean, it's very unique. I mean, that's one of the things. And the extendable legs definitely are something that's very, very good. Now, another safety thing that I just want to point out to everybody is, you know, when it's on, it's really easy to always say, oh, you know, I'm actually just going to turn it off and just pull the USB or pull the power plug. It's probably best to always, from a safety point, to turn off the power. So just shut the power down and then remove everything off of the power. Then from a safety standpoint. Now, this item is actually from, it's a 2021 item. It's from World Global Trading Company, Trading LLC from New York. And it's a CoreAudio heart ring light with tripod stand. That's what it says. This item is very nice. As I said, you know, it definitely, if I was doing close-up, I would use it. I think price-wise, it's not bad. Like I said, if you want the best price, always go to the, you know, big box discount retailers. You'll probably get the best price there. But of course, it just depends on what they have there. Now, if you were to get it in a regular big box store, you're going to be paying a bit more, but you're for sure, you know, they're going to have a couple of these available. So hopefully I've added value to you guys. If I did, hit the like button with this CoreAudio heart ring light with tripod stand. Feel free to leave me comments. Let me know if you have this, what you think about it, if you like it, if you have issues with it. Also, if you're trying to assemble this and you do have one and you're assembling it, if you have issues, definitely feel free to just leave me a comment. I'll check my comments daily, so I'll respond to you, or every other day. And then also, if you guys can hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner, that would be great. I'm trying to build my subscriber base. Trying to hit that 1,000 from here. Still working on it. So anything will help, and I appreciate it. I'm uploading new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I definitely hope you guys will continue watching, and I definitely look forward to providing you guys more videos to view. So thank you very much, and hope to see you guys next time. Leave me comments. Take care.